welcome to my channel. You're watching Domestic Diva DIY. My name is Sonia, and today I am going to be announcing all of my open collaborations and challenges that I will be hosting in next 2 months, so November and December, across all 3 of my channels. As you know, I did this last, I think it was in August, for September and October, and it worked out really well. I will have everything listed down in the description box for you to copy, print, and just copy it into your calendar, so that way you have it. It had been so much fun doing all these collabs and challenges with you guys. Even if I don't comment on all your videos, I do watch them all, and I have been absolutely blown away by all of your creations and the way everybody has decorated their home for fall. Their front porches were absolutely gorgeous. And let's not even talk about some of great dishes that were shared on my cooking channel. So I'm going to get right into it, so that way I don't waste too much time babbling about other things. I have my little book, and I had written down all of them, so I'm going to be referencing to it so that way I don't mess up. So I'm going to start with my DIY channel, and it is I have several of them there. So the first one, I'm going to start off with my monthly DIY challenge that I've been hosting every month for past 6 or 7 months now, and the turnout is great. There is no budget. Oh, and before I get into all of them, I just want to say the #1 rule for participating in these challenges is you have to be subscribed to my channel, as well as to any hostesses that I are hosting any open collaborations or challenges with me. You need to be subscribed to them as well. So my first monthly challenge will be hosted on November 5th, which is a Thursday, at 3 p.m. Eastern. So it's Eastern time all across, and this is for my DIY channel. And the rules are, theme is Christmas. There is no budget. If you want to buy your supplies at Michael's, you can. Online, you can. Dollar store, you can. It does not matter. You create whatever suits your channel or your needs. As long as it's Christmas. It can be 1, it can be 3. So November 24th at 2 p.m. Eastern time, I am hosting a Christmas Urn Challenge. And my co-host for this challenge is Nadia from DIY with Nadia. And we ask, for example, I will be creating my Christmas urns, Christmas pots for my front porch. I will be using fresh greenery for this, and that's what I will be sharing. I invite you can share that. You can use artificial greenery. You can decorate a vase. So make some form of a Christmas arrangement, whether it will be for your table, for your front hallway, or for your front porch. It does not matter, as long as it's some form of a Christmas arrangement, floral arrangement. And you can also create a DIY to use in it if that's what you wish, like maybe painting a snowflake or making a star or something along those lines. If you wish, you don't have to. The arrangement on its own is a DIY, but if you want to take it to the next level, you can. So like I said, that's on November 24th, 2 p.m. and the co-host is Nadia from DIY with Nadia. So, and then again on December 3rd will be my another monthly DIY challenge, same as the one in November 5th, so a month later at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And this time it can be Christmas theme or winter theme. If you are past and done with Christmas DIYs, you can move on to winter DIYs that you might want to use in January. That's up to you. And then I have a DIY stocking challenge on December 8th at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And that one, you can make a stocking, you can decorate a stocking, you can redo a stocking if you already have an old stocking that you did a while ago and you want to redo it. That's fine. It's just, let's be creative and make some fun stockings. It can be a stocking for your dog, it can be a stocking for your children, it can be a stocking for a mailman. It doesn't matter. You just, you know, use your creativity and either decorate them or make a stocking yourself. And that's on December 8th at 3 p.m. Then the last DIY challenge is it is a trash to treasure thrift store flip. There is no budget. Pick up something at a thrift store, secondhand store, garage sale, your mom's basement, as long as it's a secondhand item, and then spruce it up, do something to it so it suits your style more, and the theme is Christmas. So it can be an old slate that you decorate and put on your front porch, or paint and put it on your front porch. It can be a vase that you've painted. Like, it can be anything. Can be a small item, it can be a large item. Just show us how you had spruced it up, upcycled it, and used it in your Christmas decor. Now, my co-host for this challenge is Sandra from the Schwoman's Nest. So remember, you have to be subscribed to both of us to participate. And the upload time is 3 p.m. on December 10th. So that is it for DIY. Now moving on to my home channel, where I do cleaning and decorating. I have several there as well. The first one is on November 11th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and I am co-hosting this one with Diane and Yanni from Deco Easy. And so again, be subscribed to both of our channels. And we are doing a tier tray challenge. I did this last season and it was a great success. There were a ton of wonderful ideas. People had such a good time decorating and creating DIYs for their tier trays. So that is what we're going to be doing here. You can create DIYs to decorate your tier tray with, or you can just decorate your tier tray, or you can make a tier tray and decorate it. I just want to see a decorated tier tray, whether it's with DIYs that you create during this process or you actually make the tray yourself. Just show us everything and show us how you decorate it for Christmas. I just want to give people as many options and ideas for decorating their own tier trays. Tier tray decorating is one of my favorite ways to decorate for seasons, and I love bringing tons of ideas and sharing them with people. So the next one is a mantle DIY and decor challenge, kind of the same idea as the tier tray. You can create something for your mantle, or you can just decorate your mantle. That is totally up to you. You can but show us how you decorate it and what you use to decorate it. And if you're creating a DIY, show us that DIY that you're creating. I have two co-hosts for this open collaboration, and it is Sandra from the Schwoman's Nest and Vesna from Vesna TV. If you do not know, we live couple streets over from each other. Sandra is one of my oldest friends, and Vesna is my sister. So we thought we'd come together and invite you all to join us in decorating our mantles for Christmas. And that's November 16th at 3 p.m. Eastern. And then on November 25th, just before Thanksgiving holidays, I am hosting with Mary from Rocky Mountain Garden our Christmas home tour collaboration. We invite you to share your Christmas home tour with us, add it to our playlist, and share it with everybody so everyone can get as many ideas for decorating their home for the holidays, just in time for the holidays. So this will go up at November 25th at 5 p.m. Eastern. This is very similar to the one we hosted at in fall home tour, but now we're doing it for Christmas again. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of your beautiful homes and how you decorate them for Christmas. Sharing my home tour, seasonal home tour, is one of my favorite ways to invite you to my home and share all my hard work and everything I have put into, and kind of leading up to everything that I do kind of leads up to this video. So I would like you to join in participating and sharing your home with me and the rest of our viewers. And then on Wednesday, December 16th, I invite you to share with us Christmas tablescape. I'm hosting this by myself. It's at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and I invite you to share your either glamorous tablescape, your very simple tablescape, your tablescape for breakfast morning, Christmas morning, or your very formal dinner. It is up to you what you want to share with us. I've done both before and I love watching them. I think they truly give people tons of ideas, and this is what we're here for, to give people ideas. So let's partner up and give people as many ideas as they possibly can have. So like I said, December 16th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So this was all on my home channel. And now for cooking, I have I have 3 open collaborations. The one is on November 10th. It is a sheet pan dinner open collaboration. I think I've already shared this one, but I'm sharing it again. Sheet pan dinners. November tends to be a very busy time for many people, and what is a better way than not having to clean up tons of dishes before you have to head out to the store or whatever you have to do. So I think sheet pan dinners, where all of it goes on one pan, is a great way to cut on time for cleaning and even for cooking. So I want to give people some ideas. And then Christmas baking collab. So this is more Christmas cookies that I'm going after, but if you have bars or scones or anything like that, that's all fine as well. That one is on December 4th at 10 a.m. Eastern. So they're all at 10 a.m. Eastern time. And then I also have Christmas morning collab on December 18th, which is a very special day because that is my birthday. And I am asking that you share your favorite dish that you create for your Christmas morning, or maybe a dish that you want to try to use for Christmas morning. Share it with us. Let us know what you think. I'll share the recipe, share the process, and that way we can give people ideas. So I hope you guys can join me in some or maybe all. It depends on what your channels are all about. And I will have this video posted across all 3 of my channels. I will also share the videos on all the communities that I'm part of, so that way you guys can, in case if you missed the video, you can catch it there. And I will also, you can email me, you can message me any questions you have. I try to get back to people as soon as I can. Yeah, I think that's about sums it up. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments if you're planning on participating and what you would plan on participating. These are all open invites, so that means you are welcome to join. You don't have to message me. You like personally let me know that you're going to be joining in, but I'm, in the comments, if you say, hi, I'm going to be joining in some of them, that's fine. But you don't have to. It's just fun to read what everybody's plans are. I am looking forward to this Christmas season and everything that we create for ourselves and other people. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
I'm on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out